This proverb reminds us that we are ultimately responsible for the outcomes of our actions and decisions. Whatever burdens or successes we carry, be it past mistakes or accomplishments, are ours to handle and learn from. By embracing accountability, we take control of our personal growth and open the door to self-improvement. Blaming others may feel easier but only leads to stagnation. True progress and self-respect come from owning our choices and their consequences. The tail metaphorically represents the results of our decisions, reminding us to act with intention and wisdom, knowing that we will face the repercussions. It encourages thoughtful decision making and the strength to carry what comes as a result.